Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best plant care solutions on the market, Miracle-Gro Indoor Plant Food Spikes. If you're looking to keep your indoor plants thriving with minimal effort, these spikes might just be your new best friend. Stick around as we explore why these are a must-have for plant enthusiasts. Let's kick things off by talking about what makes these spikes so special. Miracle-Gro has designed these specifically for indoor plants like ferns, spider plants, and pothos, providing them with essential nutrients they need to flourish. It's a simple, mess-free way to ensure your plants stay healthy and vibrant. These spikes are not your average plant food. They're easy to use, just insert them into the soil, and they'll feed your plants continuously for up to 2 months. Plus, they're packed with micronutrients that your indoor plants crave, promoting lush foliage and vibrant blooms. Let me show you how easy it is to use these spikes. Simply insert one spike into the soil around each plant, then water as usual. The spikes release nutrients directly to the roots, ensuring your plants get the nourishment they need, right where they need it most. So, why choose Miracle-Gro over other options? Well, besides being super effective, these spikes are also safe for all indoor plants when used as directed. They're formulated to promote healthy growth without any risk of burning your plants, a common concern with some fertilizers. As we wrap up, I have to say, Miracle-Gro Indoor Plant Food Spikes live up to their reputation. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, these spikes make indoor plant care a breeze. With consistent feeding and healthy results, they're definitely worth considering for your plant care routine. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into Miracle-Gro Indoor Plant Food Spikes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tips. Until next time, happy gardening!